Hey, sneekylinux back today. Yes, today we are back with, guess what? Open Indiana 151A development version. Now, do you know it's been a whole year since I've done the last one? It might have been longer than that, I don't know. Really long time. Now, as you know, Open Indiana is a fork off Open Solaris, which is now defunct as far as I'm aware. I can't bloody remember, but hey, yes. But anyway, it's a fork off it. Using the Solaris kernels, all that stuff, you know, so it's Solaris, so it's a bit of a pay thing at the end of the day. In that respect, it's not totally free, but it's sort of free, maybe free, a little bit free, and maybe not. Anyway, that's all that bit out of the way. As you can see, it's a nice clean desktop. Runs GNOME 2.3 point something, but yes, oldie know me, you likey. Yes, indeedy. I'll go through it with you just really quickly to show you what's come down. I must say, a bit more stable than the last one. Looks better, runs better. Well, enough said on that, but yes it is. Applications. Basic GNOME stuff, basically. Look. Except you get a PDA synchronization thing here with Palm Pilot. Do they still make them? Okay. Under graphics, you just get a digital camera browser and an image viewer. Internet. You get a standard Firefox, Pigeon and Thunderbird. Ooh. Yeah, okay, fine. But under Office, you don't actually get anything, do you? Right, you could install LibreOffice, I suppose, or OpenOffice even. Yeah, because you know who makes that? Yeah, of course you do. But that's all you get as standard. I would have thought it would have come with complete Office software to start with, but obviously not. But remember, it's a development version, so don't worry too much about it. Under programming, you get Glade. I thought that was an air freshener. No, is that not right? Okay. Sound and video, you get Basic Brasero, a CD ripper. Rhythm Box is your music player, and Totem for your movie player. Okay. Would you really want that as an Office? Maybe you would, I don't know. System tools. Create a DVD and CD. Device driver utility. Well, I don't really need to use it here because I'm actually doing it in VirtualBox. Yes, I am. Disk users and analyzer. A file browser. G-parted as standard. Performance monitor. So we have a look. Yay, they will say. Well, as you can see, allocated 2 CPUs to it. It's using above average memory for this sort of thing, but maybe it's just because it's the Solaris version. Maybe it's just saying like that. Eh? Yeah, maybe. And maybe not. Okay. Right, that's that out of the way. What else we got down there? I've done that. Universal access is usual on-screen keyboard and Orca screen reader and magnifier. And you can run an application from here. Okay, that's that bit out of the way. Places is your usual, but it's all there. There's nothing new really, is there? It's no. What do you expect, really? Under preferences. Right, okay. A few more different ones here from the old-fashioned one of what we normally used to use. Right, appearance about me, so like the usual. Desktop sharing, which is remote desktop sharing, basically. I'll open it for you, look. So you can other people can see your desktop and you can share stuff through your network, whether you're in an office or at home or anything like that. Looking alright, actually. Yeah, not too bad at all, eh? Well, yes. Okay, keyboard shortcuts, your main menu, monitor resolutions and stuff like that. NVIDIA server settings. Ooh, nice to have it standard, really, isn't it? Not too bad at all. Looking good. I mean, Solaris and that is not my cup of tea. I am a Linux boy myself, really, although I do use other stuff. But this used to be quite popular when it was Solaris, basically. And then everything went wrong, and now Sun say they're not going to do it anymore, and then they are going to do it, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. Too much going on, man. Anyway, startup applications, volume control, your Windows, under administration. And if you're network administration, your package manager, right, don't actually work. Okay, well, I'll tell you that. Printer, don't actually work that bit, yeah? Well, not for me, anyway. You can set up your system firewall, time and date, time slider, so you can take a snapshot of your data on your system, just in case everything goes up the swanny. Do you know what I mean? Yes. There's an update manager, doesn't actually work for me, and users and groups. This is all that you know is going to be there because it's known, isn't it, really? Yeah. Right, about Open Indiana, I'll just click there so you can see what comes up on the screen. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, okay, that's enough of that. Another one down there, about GNOME, so look at that. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so that's that all out of the way. Right, I'm trying to get this a little bit short, actually. I don't want to do it too much of it. Browser takes a little while to boot up. That's what I did say. This is the first screen you get when you boot into it for the first time. It tells you all about Open Indiana, a community distribution of Oracle Open Solaris. Yeah, so yeah, if you want to read that, you can. Now, what I have done, I have bookmarked a page for you, so you can all have a little see of the release notes of Open Indiana 151A. So we'll have a nice little look at that. Now, as you can see, it is quite nice. Yes, lovely, lovely, lovely. Right, this is what I want to show you down here. The new features, okay? I was going to print them out and read them to you, but you can read them with me. Yay! OpenNDNA kernel and core user land, so new one for that. Nice. That includes KVM for doing your virtual machines. And that's a nice little thing, and it should be done in an office. Because remember, I would say this is for use in an office environment, okay? Because it should be quite stable, really, shouldn't it? You got your terminal differences, blah, 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 blah. You can read all this. Right, there is a spec files extra repository that you can enable if you so wish to do so to get extra stuff like Abbey Word, Apache, Clam, explore a bit more, Inkscape, go a bit more further down, Samba, Scribers. I would thought that was standard, man. Yeah. Slifered for Mail if you wanted that. Type VNC, you know what that is, VLC. Oh, sorry, VNC. What am I about? VLC is just below it. And Wine. And you get the development version as well. Now, I've got the development version of Wine running on this system here, and it is quite good, actually, I must say. And you can also get the XFCE desktop environment. You can also get the others as well. You can also get KDE. Yeah, you sure can. And a Flash player. These are community stuff anyway, that you can get. And it tells you all about the bugs. Now, if you want to read more about it, just go and have a look at their wiki. Wiki jungle is massive, and you will be hunky-dory. It's only come out a couple of days ago. So, you know, this is what it looks like, basically. Right, nothing new, but it should be stable. Now, for an office environment, that's what you really want, isn't it? Nice and stable. I am going to leave it on the system for another couple of weeks, right? Just to see if I can get the package manager working and the update manager, alright? But apart from that, it's quite super duper and looks reasonably nice, if you like that sort of thing. Now, I'm showing you all these videos from everywhere because you may not get a chance to see them otherwise. Not everybody does all the ones I do they? I mean, I do the really weird ones. I know OpenNDNA isn't a really weird one, but a lot of you shy away from doing this sort of stuff, okay? So this is why I do it. Anyway, it looks alright. Connects to your network straight away. Well, if it's wired anyway. I don't know about wireless. I didn't check out the wireless drivers. You can do that yourself, okay? Anyway, it's alright. Sneaky Linux out. I'll be seeing you very later. Bye-zy-bye.